Hey guys! Today we will be checking out the Ridge wallet. Here we have two variants, the Forged Ember and 18K gold-plated wallet from the Ridge wallet. These wallets are super versatile, lightweight and classy. A new way to carry your cards and cash around without the hassle of bulky wallets of the past. The packaging of the Ridge wallets we have here is really nicely packed. Let's get right to unboxing each of the two wallets to see how the wallet looks like and the features it offers. We will first unbox the 18K gold-plated wallet. Inside the box, you will find one greeting card, along with a cleaning cloth to clean your Ridge wallet. Next out is the gold-plated wallet, which looks stunning on first sight. A screwdriver is included, along with a pack of screwdrivers for you to use in case you need to replace any of the screws on the wallet as time passes. A money clip is included for you to use if you want to change it from the default money strap installed on the wallet. On first impressions, the 18K gold-plated wallet looks really shiny, elegant and sleek in design. The contours are smooth and well defined. The overall workmanship upon holding it feels firm, and of high quality. When you turn over to the back of the wallet, you will get a money strap by default for you to strap your money if you are carrying cash. The overall design feels minimalist and sleek. Now let's unbox the Forged Ember Ridge wallet. First out is the greeting card. Next you will find the Ridge Forged Ember wallet. A screwdriver and a pack of spare screws is included too, like the gold-plated wallet, for you to replace any screws over time. An additional money clip is provided too. On first look of the Forged Ember wallet, what caught my eye is the pattern and design. It looks sophisticated and unique. The material feels solid and high-end. At the back, it comes with a cash strap too, for you to strap cash to the wallet if you are using cash. According to the specs, the design is derived from heat-treated aluminum material infusion to give it its unique design. You can easily store your cards in your Ridge wallet neatly and efficiently. When you want to select a card, just push the cards out from the bottom dedicated slot and your cards will pop out. You can select which card you want to use from there. Easily accessible and neat. The cash strap will securely hold your spare cash notes on your Ridge wallet. Just look at some notes I have strapped securely to it. The 18K gold-plated wallet also have the same functions just like the Forged Ember wallet. It keeps your cards securely held in place and you can strap your spare cash at the back of the Ridge wallet. It securely keeps your cards and cash stored securely on it. The gold-plated wallet is designed for you to have a timeless wallet that lasts with time. Gold-plated means the gold on your wallet won't just fade away like colored wallets, it lasts over time. Now you can say goodbye to clumpy and bulky wallets and use a wallet that is more sleek, minimalist and neat if that is your preference. I would say I love the minimalist feature as it is lightweight, and when I carry it in my pocket, it does not feel heavy or bulky like my usual wallet. Now that Father's Day is round the corner, I feel that it is a good chance to get a wallet like the Ridge wallet for your father. I plan to give my father a wallet so that he can upgrade his wallet to help him get his pocket smaller instead of having a bulky wallet when he goes around running errands. Overall, I find the Ridge wallet a unique wallet that caters to what everyday people desire. A wallet that is simple to use, minimalist and lightweight. You can find out more about the Ridge wallets with a link in description. Check it out today. Thank you for watching.